Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kashi protein bars. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First, you're going to need 1/4 to 1/2 cup of honey. I'm using a little more than 1/4 cup, but not quite 1/2 cup. Then you need 1/2 cup of Wowbutter, 1/2 cup of oats, and then 2 cups of this Kashi Go rice cereal. And then you need an 8x8 baking dish, and I sprayed that generously with cooking spray. Alright, first we are going to add our Wowbutter and our honey to a microwavable safe bowl and just microwave that for about 20 to 30 seconds until it can incorporate nicely. Oh, I almost forgot that I'm also going to add a handful of mini chocolate chips. That's optional if you want to do that or not. So my Wowbutter and honey just came out of the microwave. I microwaved mine for 20 seconds and then I just really stirred it until it was well incorporated. So next we're just going to add everything to this large bowl of cereal. Okay, I have everything here in my bowl, so I'm just going to mix that all together with a spatula. And my chocolate chips, I probably added 1/4 cup. All right, that looks great. I got in there with my spatula, and then I just really got in there with my hands. So next we are going to put this into our prepared baking dish, our 8x8 baking dish, and just really press it down. I'm going to use parchment paper so I can really press mine together. All right, that looks pretty good to me. So next I am just going to go ahead and cover this and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes or more so it can set. All right, my granola bars are all set up. So now I am just going to go ahead and cut them. I'm probably going to do 12, but you can cut them however big or little you want. All right, my bars are all cut here and I was able to get 12 of them. So we will see what Taste Tester thinks. All right, I have one here for Taste Tester. Let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. That's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone. Come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.